Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Menike from CClv5 class. I'm here today to discuss with you about my project called Pokemon, or should I say Pokedex. It's kind of a Pokedex demo. So, first I would like to discuss about the codes. As you can see here, I created a public class for the Pokedex app, which is, and it holds some information that the app will be using. In fact, it holds every single thing the app needs. Alright? It holds every single thing the app needs. Starting from the search bar, the display screen, the fetch Pokemon data, and stuff. It holds everything. So you could just see it as the main function. Now, def int self root, we have fighters Pokedex. So I've already run it. See, fighters Pokedex is already here. So I decided to use red, blue, and red to because that was the color that came to mind, and I wanted it to look a bit beautiful and acceptable. At first, I wanted to use graphic images for the background, but oh well, I just decided to use colors. Then this dev setup is for the GUI. As you could see here, we have Pokedex. Header is Pokedex V10. Then this is the search section. Like this search box, I mean, yeah, the search box, and so literally, all you have to do is type in the Pokemon name, and what it does is that it will then check the API that it's using. It will check the API that's using. So that's why we needed the search bar because we needed to know the app needed to know the kind of Pokemon you. Let's say, for example, now I want to talk about or check about Pikachu and strange. It means the name I use is wrong. Oh, so let's try this. Charmander, right? See, it said Charmander. It means there was a mistake in the name I used. But it said Charmander, and see, the name is showing up here. So if you want to search for a Pokemon that is popularly known, you just come here and search the Metapod, and it gave me Metapod stats. So back to what I was saying, that's what the search button was for. Then we have the interactive button. The interactive button is this one that says search. As you can see, I gave it a gold color, a gold background color, and then a black font color, and we changed the font text style. When the screen displays this big box that displays all the information, after you see, awaiting inputs. So if I remove this and I put search, it shows enter a name, right? So what it does is that it waits for the person's input. When you put in the input, if the Pokemon is not found, see, like I said before, when you type in your Pokemon name and click on the search, this will search for the Pokemon name within the API library. And if it's not there, as you can see all these codes, if it's not there, to say Pokemon not found. But if it's there, it will display the Pokemon names. to display the Pokemon names. Now, this allowed me to like design the search, I mean the display bar. This box is my display box. So let me put a false name so that you see for yourself. If I put Pika, uh, you see Pokemon not found. That means it's not the name you use is not within the library. But if you use another name, let's just check for another Pokemon name, Last Voice, and you search it, it will bring out its stats. This is his way of saying, yes, we found the name. It's within the API library, and these are the information about the specific Pokemon you're asking about. So to cut the story short, my my entire code is mainly for a Pokédex app that allows you to see information about a specific Pokemon you're looking for. As long as the Pokemon exists and is within the API library, you'll be able to find everything you need about that specific Pokemon. So thank you all and have a wonderful day.